How to continue recording a draft video on TikTok. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bibin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can continue recording a draft video on TikTok. Well, if you just open up TikTok here, you should get an face like this. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and you'll be headed to this page. And if you just tap on drafts, you'll be able to see your drafts. Right now, if you just recorded a draft, and here I'll just load this up, you can see my draft has been recorded. Now what you can do is, in order to continue recording, tap on that arrow icon at the top left, and here you want to simply tap on continue recording option. You can see here, and if you just tap on it, you'll be able to start recording again. And if you just tap and hold on the recording option at the bottom of your screen, then you'll be able to start recording again, and then tap on tick mark after you are done. So this way you can simply continue recording a draft video on TikTok. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.